Another MuggyWeld.com customer testimonial.
Okay, we're here working on this John Deere 1010. This is the original piece that was in here. You can see it's been broke a couple of times and it's halfway through the hole. So we machined out this piece here. We made the bushing with a heavy wall instead of what John Deere puts in there. And we've got this ground out to receive this. And we'll take a couple more videos as we go along. It's been fixed a couple of times, but we're going to use some Muggy Weld products and be the last time it gets fixed, I hope. Okay, we're back on this 1010 John Deere. I have put a little bit of heat into this piece that we made out of mild steel so that when the weld adheres and it's cooling off, because this is warmer, I believe, in our techniques over the years, that heat is leaking into the casting, and you want it to leak slowly. So if this is warm and this is cold, that'll continue to leak when the weld's cooling off. I don't know if that's the right terminology or not, leaking, but it soaks into the metal. Gives it time to be hammered and peened gently if needed. We're doing good here on this first pass, and the shaft still turns really nice, so nothing's binding. Okay, we've got our initial pass in, and I've been keeping my temperatures right around 200, 250 max, but I've got a laser pointer here. Okay, so we're okay on temperatures. And I'm going to keep going. I'm not going to let it cool off really much. I'm going to at least run another pass. So I see the pictures we took last night were just too dark, but we got this piece on here, and it's I do like to paint it just so as you're watching this thing in the future, if a crack develops, you'll see the crack a lot. You're more likely to see the crack if it's painted. But the Muggy product worked great, and we'll be buying it again.
Phil, thank you for sharing your story with us and being brave enough to take on a cast iron repair. Sometimes you can't find the part, sometimes they don't make the part, sometimes you just have to Muggy Weld it.